Welcome to Steve's Kitchen. Today we are making a delicious shrimp salad with delicious ingredients. We have about 25 shrimp. What I did with the shrimp, I just boiled them yesterday. And what you do is you let the water boil. Then you add the shrimp, you add the herbs, and you let them cook for 4 minutes. Because what happens, most people, they say cook the shrimp, boil the shrimp for 2 minutes. But what happens when you drop the shrimp in the water loses the heat. So when it goes back to boil, you want the shrimp to boil for 2 minutes. So I think after you put the herbs and the shrimp in the boiling water, let them cook for 4 minutes. And this is the perfect shrimp. We're using a red onion, we're using avocado, we're using radish, a cucumber, cilantro, arugula, olive oil, and salt, and lemon. So for the salad, we're going to use a half a red onion. So we slice the half onion in the middle, and you get some strips. You know, me and my onions, I always use some vinegar. That way it takes away the heat from the onions. Put a little bit cold water inside, and I'm gonna leave it on the side. So slice the radish. I like radish because they give you like a nice crunchy to it, and they have an unusual taste, but it's a good taste. A cucumber. Okay, so what we're gonna do now, we're gonna drain the vinegar and the water from the onions and the radishes. Beautiful. Smells really good. Remember, the cilantro, if it's dry, it tastes much better. So before you make the salad, maybe you wash the cilantro and you let it dry. Now we're gonna add some arugula. Okay, so let's do the avocado. Remember, avocados, always buy them 3 days in advance. So that way you leave them out. So when you want a nice salad, you always have a perfect avocado. We're just removing the tail from the shrimp. You cool them down. I put them in an ice bath. So that way, you know, they cool down right away. And it makes a really nice salad. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cut the shrimp in half. It was a frozen shrimp, so I left it out a day in the refrigerator. And he said in the bag it was between 25 and 30 shrimp. It looks really good. Half a lemon. This way, when you squeeze it between your hands, if you have any pits, then it stays right there, so nothing goes into the salad. Half a teaspoon of salt. I like to put in my hand and kind of distribute it all over the salad. So we have 1/4 of a cup of olive oil. And now we'll give it a nice mix. I have this really nice mixer. It helps to mix the salad really good. Wow, it smells really good and it looks good. Perfecto! Voila! Go to our YouTube channel for more recipes. Please subscribe.